Here is how you can increase your sales this coming International Women's Day using OmniSend. This is going to be on the 8th of March, so you still have time to apply this method in your shop, whether you have a Shopify store, Ecommerce, Wix, or WordPress. This works in any online store that you have, whether you offer physical products, digital products, you sell an online course, or you render services. You can use OmniSend to increase your sales. OmniSend will have pre-made templates for your business so that you just put on only your business details to change here and there so that it matches your business or what you do in your business. Then you send these SMSs and emails to your customers or to your leads. And with the Women's Day that's coming, you also get a pre-made template tailored just for the Women's Day so that you increase your sales this Women's Day. So you can use all these SMSs, you send them to many people. With the free version, you only get $1 worth of SMSs, meaning that if you want to scale high, you can use the Pro plan, which you're going to get 8% discount off for the next 3 months using the code Women's Day 8. The link is in the description box below, and this is your chance now to increase your sales while you still can, because with a pre-made template, you don't have to do all the work or sit in front of your computer, start typing to your customers. All the work is done for you, and the right words to attract your customers, the right messages to attract your customers so that your customers can get those pop-up notifications every now and then. And with the Women's Day that's coming, you already have that template that's built up for you. So with Shopify, the app is there. With other store, you just use the code and the link in the description box below so that you get that discount code with any shop or any store that you're thinking of using. And that's how you increase your sales this Women's Day with OmniSend. Thank you so much for watching up to here. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.